Anxious to get across the bridge before new Ukraine long-range weapons find them first, speeding ZSTS Akhmat crash into each other, making for fine stationary targets. Russian residents in Crimea are also panicking and selling off homes before Ukraine further reduces Russian home and land prices. The Russian column of armored vehicles, which was heading to Kherson Oblast via the Kerch Bridge, were driving over the speed limit. As a result, Russian invaders lost 5 cars. Ukrainian defense intelligence reports that on the 26th of March, a column of 5 ZSTS Akhmat vehicles of the 34th Motorized Rifle Brigade was traveling along the Kerch Bridge in the direction of the occupied Crimea. However, according to official data, they were prevented from making their way to the end by speeding and non-compliance with a safe distance while driving as part of a column. As a result, 4 out of 5 cars require significant repairs. And Andriy Yusov, spokesman for Ukraine's defense intelligence, said that Russian occupation authorities in Crimea have started evacuating from the Ukrainian peninsula. Meanwhile, they tell the rank-and-file officials not to worry, that everything is fine and everything is under control. All this resembles the Russians saying that their special operation is going according to the plan, Yusov said. He added that families linked to the Russians are being evacuated, and quite urgently. This is food for thought for everyone who tied their lives to Putin's malicious Russist regime. They better leave Crimea while they still can. The Defense Intelligence spokesman recalled that the day before, on the 23rd of March, a message was broadcast on the radio in Sevastopol, Crimea, urging local residents, especially those who collaborated with the Russian occupation regime, to prepare to evacuate. The peninsula has to be liberated, and the legitimate Ukrainian government has to regain control over it in order for peace and order to reign there. Crimea has to return to Ukraine, and this will absolutely happen very soon. So everyone working for Russia would really do better if they leave the territory of Ukraine's Crimea now, Yusov said.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.